The agri-arm sites of Saskatchewan have been investigating the use of late-season applications of nitrogen for increasing the grain protein of wheat. In 2018, 30 pounds of nitrogen per acre applied either as a dribble band of UAN pre-boot or post-anthesis increased grain protein by almost a complete percentage point. A foliar broadcast application of UAN, cut in half with water, also provided similar results. This was quite impressive, as half a percentage increase in protein would have been more typical. However, this study determined it was better to just put all that extra nitrogen down at seeding, as this also increased protein by a percentage point and provided the highest yield. In 2019, some of the late season applications of nitrogen increased grain protein beyond what was accomplished by putting all the nitrogen down at seeding. However, some of these treatments were associated with lower yield and in the end were not economical, even when considering a wide protein spread. We experimented with dissolved urea because it causes less leaf burn than UAN. This certainly was the case at Yorkton. If you want to experiment with dissolving urea, make sure it does not contain more than 1% biuret, otherwise you will really burn your crop. This year we're going to use the 2019 protocol again. Also, at Yorkton we're going to have a look and see if the time of day of application has an effect on the efficacy of late season applications of nitrogen. When you spray in the heat of the day, that tends to cause more leaf burn, which may actually increase the protein, but at the expense of yield. I don't think late season applications of nitrogen should really be considered a planned event. I'd consider them more of a rescue treatment.